Hey everyone, this is Ron. So, you have probably heard about Fyxer AI, an AI email assistant that takes the stress out of email, meetings, and follow ups. You're seeing it pop up everywhere and you're wondering what it is, and it is truly worth it. So, Fyxer AI is an AI executive assistant that lives in your Gmail or Outlook. It cleans up your inbox, crafts drafts, replies in your tone, and even takes meeting notes and send a follow up, all to save you about an hour every day. If you're buried in emails and meetings, Fixer helps free your brain space so you can focus on what matters. It learns how you talk and for teams, and that sheer intelligence means every new hire writes like the team from day one. So let's get started. I will just give you a quick tutorial. Just you have to go to fixer.ai. Now let's go and talk about the pricing for a little bit. Here you can see that Fixer gives you a three plan, right? The first one is a standard, professional, and enterprise. Annually is slightly less expensive than monthly, which you can check it from here. The standard is $220 per user, and if you just go and check out monthly is around $30. But if you go for annual, then it will charge you $23 per month for one inbox, one calendar, email, sorting, meeting note takers, scheduler, and chat support. The same goes for professional, that is $450 per user, and add multiple inboxes, calendars, team scheduling, CRM, email attachment reading, and a lot more. And here this is enterprise, which is you can get every feature and for a lot of user, right? That's why there's a no cost here, but it's a custom cost. So custom pricing with advanced security, sso analytics, dedicated support, etc, etc. But guys, there's a free trial too, and we can get 7 days free trial for standard and pro. There's a no card required. So let's get started here, and I will just try to give you all this information what you need. So first of all, you have to, let's go and start from Google. Just go to Google and search for here Fixer. So here you can search for Fixer AI. You will come up here, click on this first link here, and you will be here. Now simply you can go with Outlook or you can go with the Gmail. I would like to go with the Gmail here. And by the way, if you're going with the Outlook, then the process is exactly same. I will click on sign up with Google. You have to choose your email and simply click on continue. Here it says that Fixer AI work best with a working email. But if you don't have a working email, it's fine. If you have, you can connect it. And I will skip this offer and let's start our free trial. Now here you can see this is integration, billing, teams, and organization. We will go one by one. So let's integrate here. Now I will just go and click on Gmail. Then I will click on connect. Simply you have to choose your email here. Click on continue. Again, give the access of your Gmail and click on continue. It will take a few seconds to set up the connection. You have to just patiently wait. Same way, if you want to connect your calendar, you can go with your calendar. If you want to connect your CRM, then HubSpot is the first option right now. And it is still in beta version. So I think in the future, they are going to add more CRM options to add it. But for now, we have only HubSpot. As you can see here, it is right now connected and I will show you how powerful this tool is. Obviously, we will go one by one here. So for example, you can see here, this is categorization. And why this is categorization and how I can update it. So you have to, first of all, you have to do nothing. So I will show you what's the difference it will make in your Gmail box here. So you can see here, this is how a normal Gmail looks like, right? You can see here on the left bottom side, it will be completely nothing. If you have a label, then obviously you will be able to find it here. But if you don't have a label, and once you connect your email, so this is the email which I have connected. And as you can see here, automatically Fixer did a lot of things. I mean, Fixer fixed a lot of things. So here automatically it will categorize everything. So for example, you can see marketing. So there are 243 emails of completely marketing. So I can just go and check out here marketing, and here all of these are just marketing emails, right? And usually, for example, let's just go to the inbox here. Just think for that there's a no such icons, right? And how you will able to find it, which is important and which is not important. Obviously you can't find it, just like you can see here, this is just a normal email, right? And once I've connected Fixer, it just categorizes each and everything. So automatically it will just tell me, okay, where I have to reply here. And this is FIA, this is, there's a comment, there's a notification, there's a meeting update, right? So I have to just go through labels and automatically it will just categorize each and everything for me. Right now, obviously, if you want to create new labels, you can create it. For example, you can turn this on and automatically you can see here turning on a category below will move email in this category out of your main inbox and into the folder. So I like this categorization a lot. So I just want all this specific email to get into this specific section specific labels. I will simply just go and click on update preference. Now here you can see configuration updated, and within few minutes it will just get updated automatically. So let's refresh this, and yes, it just worked perfectly fine here. So guys, this is what called categorization. It automatically sort spam, marketing, actions, items, and keep your inbox completely clean. There are a lot more features, so we'll just go one by one here. The second one is AI draft replies. Now, what this makes, so Fyxer write email that sound exactly like you. For example, just review, and in your case, you have to just review it, tweak it, and change, and just you can send it, right? If it is up to you. So here you can see you can just write here. I will just write a prompt. For example, how you give a prompt to an AI like ChatGPT or Perplexity. So here I will write email in a polite manner. So this is very simple thing, and I will just go and click on update preference. Now let's test this out. Now here you can see when you will get an email you need to reply, so automatically the fixture will identify which email I have to reply, and fixture will not automatically send. We will leave a draft response in your inbox for you to send or edit it, right? So simply you can see here this is email signature which you can edit this up, and this is how it's going to look like, right? So I will just go and click on update preference, and just for example I will send an email to this email where fixer is connected from this email, right? So let's check this out. Now you can see here I sent an email, right? And here you can see this is my inbox. So here this is FYE. It's very important for me. So I can just go and check this up, and automatically you can see here this is an email. So I will just go and click on it, and obviously Gmail will give me some options. And simply you can just go and click on reply and you can reply to it. The third feature is basically meeting note taker and follow-ups. So obviously you have to click on calendar, and then you will able to connect it just like we did our Gmail. And Fixer asks you to join your meetings, take notes, and drop a follow-up email draft in your inbox, right? And there's a it adapts to your style, and for the teams it improve very communally. Now this is security and privacy, but before that this is recording. So all the recordings which will be happening will show up here, right? And this is the upcoming, and this is a new feature obviously to use this the upcoming meetings or whatever upcoming meetings, depending on whatever meetings will show up in your calendar. It will retrieve all the data, it will draw all the data and just show it in a very well presented manner, and you can just find it from here that which meeting is coming up next. Right now this is settings, so these are the basic things which you can change it. Should join meeting automatically, you can set it here only when you are hosting, right? And automatically it will create a meeting and you can just join it. Now this is a scheduling, and it will help you in a lot way. So let's go to the scheduling here. When someone send you an email asking to meet, they will use your calendar to pick the best time for a meeting and send a response informed by your calendar. So it will draft a meeting. You have to just go and click on send if it's up to your demand or if it's up to your need, right? So it's completely up to you. You have to just simply press the send. Obviously these are the some paid features which you can only get it once you buy the subscription. The chat is also in a beta way, right? And but before chat there's a security and privacy. So let's talk about this here, which is ISO 27001, SOC2, and HIPAA, and there's a lot more. So Fixit doesn't feed your email into third-party AI models, right? So for example, not any AI or LLM models can take your information. So you don't need to worry about, because this is very privately, and it just makes sure that your data doesn't get leaked, right? So here you can search for it. So obviously this Fixer.ai, this chat feature is only for you. It means all this information which it is taking from your email and as well as your calendar will show up here. So just for example, do I need to reply to this feedback request? It is here, and you can see here I got a email. Let me show you up. So basically this one, right? And I can ask it, do I need to reply to it? And I will just go and hit on enter bar, and it will, the AI will just give me a complete information. So based on my search, there's a feedback request. If this related to your recent interaction, project or service, it's generally a good idea to reply. So I can ask it whether it's, what's the priority to reply to this email. So you can ask this. And this is a really good thing because it's just like assistant. So I can ask my assistant, oh, this a really important email? I should, I should go forward or not. So obviously the chat can help me, but still it is in the beta version. So in the upcoming days, it will just work in a well manner. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the Fyxer. So what's the pros and cons? So Fyxer saves real time, and obviously you can see here there are around 3,000, 4,000 emails, and it just separated each and everything. And I know this is my spam emails. Obviously there's a very few emails where I have to reply. That's why nothing came into the reply section, right? So this is, you can see meeting update, awaiting replies, action, nothing, right? So you can see here these are some of the important things, and it really saves a lot of time regarding 1 hour 2 hour, which just completely goes into my emails. And it learns your styles, making replies feel very personal. So the person who's receiving this email will never come to know that these emails are drafted by some AI, right? And works with the Gmail and Outlook and hook into the meetings, calendar, CRM, and there's a lot more. So obviously the integration is pretty much good. I hope that in the future more integration comes and it becomes easy for us. There's the enterprise grade security and privacy. It helped me that it just makes me secure that my information doesn't get leaked. Now, what's the cons of it? So you still need to review, right? So for example, that I don't want to review why the fixer asked me again and again. And obviously at some point I need to review because this email, I just cannot delete it, or I just cannot unsend those emails. Once the email is gone, once the email is sent, it means sent, right? So obviously I need to review it, but obviously this is one of the con which I don't want in the future. It won't send emails automatically. Take time to set up and fine tune. So obviously take 5 to 10 minutes, but I don't think that's a big con here. But yeah, pricing may be steep for solo users or very small team. Yeah, pricing is, I think that's a little expensive, but it depends on use cases here. And you can see here some user report of categorization errors, missing emails, or slower Outlook performance. I didn't found it in my Gmail, but maybe this issue could be in Outlook. So if you're using Outlook, let me know. Now, I just want to show you our first impression was wow, and it was just my personal opinion, right? And I'm not just forcing to any of you guys. So very good structure of email, mostly good drafts of email. That is really nice, and I like the promise, but found the time to take to set up, and the price was a little bit too high. And these are the two things which is very important for me. And now let's come to the next section: who should use it and who should skip. So use it if you're overwhelmed by emails or meetings, right? And executives, managers, founders, sales, or support leads. Better for teams that want consistent tone. Skip it if your email volume is small. You don't need, and you don't just come daily, and I mean your work is not dependent on emails, then you can just skip this part. And this is fully manual control over every messages. If you want, then you should surely skip this part. Now, what is the alternative? So alternative, let me show you up. First is superhuman, super fast email, but no AI automation. Right now, the second is Fireflies. So Fireflies created meeting notes taker, but lacks email sorting and drafting. There's an Outlook Copilot, which is a part of Microsoft. So it's nice for Microsoft centric workflows, but less flexible for Gmails and everything here. Now there's another thing which is basically for the Gmails here. So for example, automatically if you have the premium version of Gemini, then you don't need, because Gemini automatically draft emails for you, but it doesn't categorize. So some applications have the only categorization features, some has the note taking features, but if you want all in one, then Fyxer AI is here to fix you up. So this was it. So Fyxer AI bends inbox cleanup, AI powered drafting, and mailing automation into one slick package. And yeah, there's a learning curve, but yeah, this is it. I hope you found this review video very helpful, and if you did, make sure to give us a like and subscribe.